Good morning, students. Hope all of you are doing well. Today I am going to discuss the rest of the part of the from the question exercise 5.2. So you see here up to this. So 1, 2, 3. These three questions already I discussed in my previous video. So today I will start from 4 to 11. Okay. So this question answer today I will discuss. Okay. So let's see our first question. Find the HCF, so highest common factor of the following by the prime factorization method. Okay, so you see in this question, as I told you as before, when it is mentioned in your question by that method, suppose that by which a prime factorization method or by the common division method, so you have to follow only that method, not only the other one. So if it is mentioned in your question only that method, we have to you have to follow. Okay, so first question is our 5184 and 2025. So you have to find out the highest common factor in between these two numbers. Okay, so you have to find out that like this way. So then you see that I'm expressing that number as a product of the prime factors and as well as 1. So you see here this you have to find out like this way. Then you find out the which numbers is that or which digit is the prime factors. So the common prime factors are 3, 3, 3 and 3. So 4, 3 is here. So these are the only this you see that circle one already I have drawn the circle. So you see the numbers, what is the digit is in the circle. So only these are the common prime factors of between these two numbers. Okay, so only you have to find out the prime factorization at first, and then you have to find out which are the common prime factors in between these two numbers. Okay, then find out the product of the common factors. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, so 4, 3 1 multiplication, then you will get 81, because 3 into 3 9 into 9, so means 81. So the highest common factor of 5184 and 2025 is 81. So like this way you have to solve the next problem, 5184 and 8000. So you have to express the number as a product of the prime factors like this way, and then you have to find out the which digit are the common in both the numbers. Then you have to circle it, and you simply find out the product of the common factors, and that product of the common factors is your highest common factor of that two numbers. Okay, so see here, so the second question, question number B, the common prime factors are 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. So 1, 4, 6, 2 is here. 6, 2 means 64. So multiplication, the product of the prime common factors is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So means is 64. Thus highest common factor of 5184 and 8000 is 64. Okay, so let's see question number C. Here also two numbers is given. You have to find out the prime factors of between the two numbers. So here also you will have to do the same way, and then you find out the common digit in between the two numbers, and then simply you find out the product of the common prime factors, and then that will be your highest common factor of that two number. Okay, so like this way you have to write and solve this problem. This is the question number D. So the question number D is also same way we can solve this. And when you do it, please you write this things also, that the common factors are which digit and the product of the common prime factor, and at the last you have to write down the answer like this way. Okay, so next question number E, 3885 and 4070. Here also you have to find out the common prime factors in between two numbers. So you have to find out that like this way, and then you find out the highest common factor of 3885 and 4700 is 185. Okay, so question number F also same way you have to solve it, you see, like this way. Okay, so next question is our question number 5. So what is the greatest number that divides 720 and 810 without leaving any remainder? So for this type of question, if you want, you can find out the separately find out that prime factors, and then you find out the common prime factors in between two numbers, or otherwise you find out that you do like this way. Okay, so whatever you want to do you can, okay, because that things is not mentioned in your question, so any way you can do it. So I am doing like this way. I'm not doing separately, I'm doing together. So like this way, so see that the last 8 and 9, so no one numbers is one digit that will be divided by this. So these numbers will not be divided by one of the digits, so that is not possible. So the highest common factor is 5 into 2 into 3 into 3, so means 90. So 90 is the greatest number that divides 720 and 810 without leaving any remainder. So next question also same questions, that this question also I have solved like this way, and question number 7 is also same question. So see, you have to solve like this way all these questions. Okay, so question number 8, what is the greatest number that divides 1162 and 1452 and 1742, leaving 2 as the remainder? So here actually mentioned that 2 as a remainder. So we know by observation that divisor into quotient is equal to deviant minus remainder. So if we subtract the remainder from that deviants, then we will get that number, and then if you find out the ACF of those numbers, then that number will be the highest one, that deviants divided by all those number without leaving anything. Okay, so the resultant deviance will be, so I have subtracted this remainder from the deviant, so then we will get this number. So the resultant deviance will be exactly divisible by their highest common factor. So you have to factorization like this way, then you find out the highest common factor of this. So you find out that which digit is the which number is the common here. Then I am circle it 5, 2 and 29. So simply you have to find out the product of this common prime factor, and thus 290 is the greatest number that divides 1162, 1452 and 1742, leaving 2 as a remainder in each case. Okay, so next question also find the greatest number that divides 1560, 1906 and 2771, leaving 3 as remainder. So in a previous question 2 as a remainder, here leaving 3 as a remainder in each case. So same way we have to subtract the previous question. I have subtract 2 from that number, so but here we will subtract 3 from those numbers. Okay, and then find out the ACF in between those numbers. Okay, see, like this you will subtract it at first, then you find out the prime factorization all those numbers and find out the common prime factors, and after that you find out the product of the common prime factor, and then that will be the highest common factor of those numbers, 173. So 173 is the greatest number that divides 1560, 1906 and 2771, leaving 3 as a remainder in each case. Okay, so question number 10, find the greatest number that divides 25,922, 32,808 and 10,130, leaving remainder as remainders 2, 3 and 5 respectively. So in the previous cases 2 as a remainder in each cases, but here actually is mentioned that the same remainder will not be left, different remainder. So 2 for this number 2 left as a remainder, for this number 3 left as a remainder, and for this number 5 left as a remainder. Okay, so you have to subtract the remainders from their respective deviants we have, then simply you subtracted dash 2, 3, 5 from their respective deviants. Then you will have to find out that what is the prime factors of those numbers, then find out the common prime factor. So I have already found out the common prime factor, the circle one. Then you find out the product of the common prime factors. The product of the common prime factors will be the highest common factor of 25,920, 32,805 and 10,125, so that we will get 405. So thus 405 is the greatest number that divides 25,922, 32,808 and 10,130, leaving remainders 235 respectively. So last question of this exercise: find the greatest number that divides 1,492, 1,865 and 2,610, leaving remainder 4, 5 and 6 respectively. So if we subtract the remainders from their respective divisions, then we have to subtract this from this. So then what numbers we will get? We have to find out the prime factorization. So after finding out the common prime factor, we have to find out the product. So you see this circle numbers is the common prime factor, all these three numbers. So then you have to find out the product of the common factors. So after getting the product of the common factor, that will be the that result will be the highest common factor of this number. So highest common factor of 1,488, 1,860 and 2,604. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 31, so then we will get 372. So thus 372 is the greatest number that divides 1,492, 1,865 and 2,610, leaving remainders 4, 5, 6 respectively. So you have to write here also. Respectively. Okay, so this way you have to solve those problems. You please do it, and I'm giving one of that question as a worksheet. So see this question: find the HCF of 576 and 1296 by the long division method. So that long division method is another way to find out the highest common factor. So already so many questions we solve in from the exercise by the common, find out that HCF by the common division method or by the prime factorization method, but we didn't do any problems. We didn't solve any problem by that long division method. So that's why I am giving one questions from long division method, because that method also you have to know. So that's why I am giving one question. You please solve it, and in my next video I will start the lowest common multiple. Okay, so hope you can understand. You please practice it. Okay, and in my next video or next day I will start lowest common multiple. Okay, thank you students. Bye, take care.